It's about time for faster installations. It's about time for no wires, no dip switches, no complications. It's about time for the SimpliPHI 6.6 home battery system from Briggs Stratton. Stackable, truly wire-free LFP batteries with proprietary rapid stack connectors that let you physically install a stack of 3 in under 5 minutes. Click, done. Outdoor rated with no cabinets needed. Ground or wall mounted, its compact, sleek design allows it to be installed in more spaces. Designed for maximum versatility, each battery delivers 6.65 kilowatt hours of energy. Stack 3 for nearly 20 kilowatt hours, scale up to 6 stacks. Compatible with major inverter brands, and it's tested to the latest UL standards for greater durability, safety, and reliability. All backed by an American brand you know will be there when you need them. Briggs Stratton. It's about time for an energy storage system engineered for homes and built for installers. The SimpliPHI 6.6 battery system by Briggs Stratton. It's about time.